Let's continue coding. How are you? This is the second respondent. Stress comes in when you're not getting along with your husband. He cannot purchase food or pay rent. Instead, he runs away. When you're not getting along with your husband, we can drag and drop that into spousal conflicts. He cannot purchase food or pay rent. Instead, he runs away. You find yourself lonely, stressed on how you pay rent, the school fees, and there's no way you can go to work. You can right-click with new code, and then we can add another color here. Lack of financial support from spouses. Okay, then click OK. Then we have the third respondent. I usually do sales. As you know, it has a lot of pressure. It reached a time I told my boss that I won't be attending my work daily due to some business queries which are hectic. We can say this person is talking about job demands being stressful as a pregnant woman. Right click, create new code. Let's assign a new color code for that and call this job demands. My second stress was my neighbors whom we usually had issues with, but I vacated.